guys, so this is day 2 of our vlog. And ayun, medyo nagmumuta-muta pa yung mata ko, pero malinis na yan. We're actually ready to take our breakfast sa restaurant ng resort. And as I actually woke up, I opened the doors that head towards our balcony, and ito yung bumungad. It's actually a beautiful view of the nature. Ayan. You can still hear that there's a lot of birds chirping around. And I don't know if it's actually all birds that I'm hearing right now. And ayun, nakaka-relax lang talaga siya. Like waking up to this kind of set is truly peaceful talaga. Currently, we're actually waiting for our other colleague before we actually proceed to the restaurant. Hey guys, and we're back. Papunta na tayo sa restaurant to have our breakfast. And we're currently walking to the catwalk punta sa restaurant. And I'll tell you what guys, papasubok din talaga dito yung resistensya mo dahil yung daanan dito is actually not pantay. I suggest that for our oldies, dapat may nag-a-assist din. Pansin ko that yung edges ng daanan na mataas na rin, sana malagyan ng fences para iwas disgrasya din, lalo na yung padalos-dalos yung paglakad. The area is so peaceful. Halos kanina yung utot ko lang yung narinig ko. At yung utot ko ay nahiya.
And after walking for several minutes, ay amin ang narating yung restaurant. And to tell you guys, napaka-majestic ng morning get-up nila dito. Like, nakaka-relax lang talaga yung vibe pag morning. And somehow, kung gusto mong maligo sa pool, you can actually go for it. And at the same time, while watching the beautiful sunrise. To tell you honestly, mas naririnig yung sound of nature pag morning. Napaka-pure lang talaga. Like, the birds are chirping, the wind is waving. And at the same time, nakaka-relax yung tunog ng nature. And while we're waiting for our breakfast to be served, ay in-explore muna namin yung ibang area ng restaurant, which is the hobby room. Meron silang dalawang set ng billiard dito, and may TV rin. And if you're actually funded for board games, ay meron din. Ayan, we have chess right there, sungka. And we have the game of the generals na napagkamalan ko pang Chinese game. And on the other side, on the very edge ng restaurant is may magandang view of the dagat at napakalaki ng space. Pwede ka dito mag-Instagram post. Ikaw nang bahala kung anong ipopost mo. And low-key, nakikita rin yung lighthouse talaga sa area na yan. While discovering the area, ay talagang napalaro na rin ako ng billiard, and it was my very first time playing and I enjoy it, especially playing with my partner.
And if you're worried guys kung may problema man sa signal, no worries. Because we have a signal tower right there, thanks to Globe. Globe is actually a lifesaver kahit minsan pauto lang signal, pero hey, thank you for providing a signal here. And sa mga gustong mag-getaway din talaga sa Kabihasnan, well, this is a perfect hideout for you. Talagang it has everything you just need in order to relax. And I'm back guys, and together with me is our breakfast. For today's breakfast, I actually order up a fried daing. I think it's bangus daing with scrabble, sunny side up and achara. Ayan siya. And I would definitely love to taste the food. They also combine it with fried rice na talagang perfect for breakfast meal.
Guys, I never thought that daing, fried rice, itlog, and even achara can actually work in one plate. I'm a total daing fan and also a lover of breakfast meal. And gotta tell you what, they do a great job on combining each other's flavors. Like, they complement each other.
I'm here again, and kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, and we're actually planning to showcase to you guys yung mga rooms dito. Aside sa room namin na in-occupayan, is they also do have other sort of rooms, and somehow we would love to show it to you guys para maengganyo kayo kung sino nga ba ang gusto nyong isama or kabanding dito. Their rooms are gonna fit kung ilan man kayo na magkakasama. So currently we're waiting sa mag-a-assist sa amin punta sa rooms na pupuntahan namin. So
Yeah, after waiting for several minutes sa aming tour guide, ayun na nga, ay nakapag-discover na rin kami sa mga rooms ng Tugawe Cove Island Resort. And we have our first room, which is a couple room, good for 2 packs, which includes TV, air-conditioned room, and to tell you what guys, it also have a mini ref. Kaya kung may gusto ko yung ilagay ng mga foods na kailangan ng ref, ay meron tayo niyan. And we have a very beautiful bathroom na may mga coconut shells as decoration. And at the rooftop ay pwede kayo mag-hangout. Either you want a fresh air or just appreciate the view of the resort. At kung huge family naman kayo or magbabarkada na gusto i-level up ang galaan, ay meron tayong rooms good for 5 peeps. Also, it is air-conditioned with TV, with mini fridge, and also a very nice bathroom. And this one has a 2 sinks na pwedeng makabuelo ang mga gagamit. And don't forget condiments. Taking note na ang mga rooms dito has their own view. And as we go further, ay nakarating nga kami sa second floor to proceed to another sort of room na good for 3 people. Yung isa talaga pang third wheel, char.
Also realizing na kada inclusives ng mga rooms ay pare-pareho lang, like the aircon, the fridge, and even the TV, and same goes sa bathroom. The only difference is that kapag nasa pangalawang palapag ang iyong room ay merong kang balcony, and pag maramihan naman yung mag-occupy sa room ay it's either dalawa ang sink or isahan pa rin. At ayun, nahanap na namin yung tamang daan. We're actually heading sa sinasabing lakeside ng resort. And there's actually a lot of steps right here. So I suggest that you actually watch out your steps while going down. Pababa siya guys. Kasi yung resort is nasa taas po siya. Kaya it's more like hiking with the stairs. So, di ba? Yung mag-hiking ka pero pinaganda, di ba? Kaya hindi na kayo mahihirapan na mag-step ng sobra-sobra dahil they actually made stairs. Yun nga lang, medyo marami-rami.
And as we go down from the top, ay meron din tayong rooms na parang nasa Mala Mountain na ang dating, which is also good as a couple room. And yes, I truly appreciated na nakikita dito yung dagat from malayuan. Like you're just gonna sit on a chair on the balcony and appreciate the view from afar. It's just amazing. And here's the room itself at ang napansin ko ay may additional table dito na pwede ka magbisi-bisihan either from work or anything na kailangan ng table. And as goes with the bathroom na napakalinis and as usual, napaka-pleasing. And as we go further, ay narating na nga namin yung ibabang part ng resort. And as you can see, it has a little lake right there na isa pa sa sceneries na talagang ma-appreciate mo. Along on the side area are additional rooms na pwede kang magstay. Like this one na good for 2 people. And if you're a family na gusto rin magstay while appreciating the lake view and the sea, ay meron din tayong room para dyan, good for 4 people. And so far, the room has also the same layout like the ones that we shown you na nauna dito. And same goes with their bathroom na napaka-sufficient ng space kung saan talagang makakabuelo ka rin sa paggamit. Same goes with their shower area. And again, kung talagang marami kayo na magbabardagulan at gusto rin talaga ma-appreciate yung scene ng lake at beach, ay meron din tayong room sa area na to na good for 5 people. Yeah, as you can see, lahat ng rooms na pinuntahan namin has everything you need in order for you to enjoy your stay in Tugawe Cove Island Resort. And here's a little share of our experience during our stay. Ay talagang nafe-feel namin na napaka-exclusive ng area. Like imagine malayo siya sa kabihasnan, but at the same time, it has everything you need in order to be satisfied while you're having your stay. Akala mo, Porket Island ay hukbalahap ng experience, no? Pues, kay Tugawe Cove Island Resort ay ipaparamdam sa'yo na napaka-exclusive ka. And as we finish ourselves touring around the rooms, different rooms in Tugawe Island, here is the beach area.
We're in the beach area ng resort na to. And guess what? Aside that they have a pool sa taas, is also they have another pool right there, right here. Ayan. And kung gusto niyo naman mag-sunbathing and feel yung maligo sa dagat mismo na talagang salty, ayan. We have our chairs right there and the dagat itself.
So, ayun na nga, aside na may pool na sa taas, ay meron pa sa baba. Ngayon, kapag nandito ka sa area na to, ikaw nang bahala kung sa beach ka or sa pool ka maliligo.
Kababalik lang po namin from the beach area. And so far, eto, hinihingal kami. Napapansin niyo naman, pagod na pagod kami because guess what? We just took up more than 100 steps. Walang problema sa pagpababa. But yung paakyat is the one that is actually devilish. And so far, pabalik na kami sa aming room. We're just gonna fetch up some few things. Then, magpo-proceed na kami sa aming lunch break. At ayun nga mga manay, fresh na naman ang iyong vlogger dahil ako ay naligo na after a little splash from the beach. At ngayon, we're heading to the restaurant para sa lunch. As you can see, medyo dugyot tayo kasi actually nagmadali din talaga kami dahil sa may oras yung lunch dito around by 11 a.m. And hindi na masyadong nakapag-ayos at dinala ko na lang ang aking makeup purse. But so far, I did have a refreshing bath dahil guess what? Ang shower ni Tugawe Cove Island Resort ay may heater. So pwede kang magbasa ng malamig na tubig or kung gusto mo naman ng thoughtful shower, meron tayong mainit na tubig. And guys, we're here na for the lunch with my colleagues. Ayun po sila. And for this lunch, may tatlo po kaming putahe na in order, which is tinolang manok, the lechon, and the other one is, I assume na beefsteak Tagalog. And isa-isahin po natin siya titikman. Talagang kung talaga. I mean, masarap talaga siya. No doubt. Since the first dish na sinerve sa amin yesterday. So, I'm more likely excited dahil this is a new dish na to-serve sa amin. Ayan.
Aside nga sa kumain kami ng aming lunch, ay ayun na yung isa, lumulutang at humabol pang maligo sa pool. Take note na ang level ng flooring ng pool na ito ay hindi pantay. Kaya kung may maliligo man na matanda or bata, take precaution. And after an hour, ay may mga dumating na rin na bagong guest na mag-i-stay rin sa Tugawe. And looks like they're gonna have it. And as they arrive, ay nag-register nga sila sa ating mga staff. And together, they are welcomed with the warm greetings from our staff together with a live music. They were also greeted with a buffet servings from our restaurant na may iba't ibang putahin na talagang ma-enjoy nila.
Guys, so nandito kami sa restaurant ulit to take our dinner, or I think final dinner for our stay during our stay here in Tugawe Cove Island Resort.
Kaya sa mga gustong magstay, well, their price range will start from 9,000 pesos to 19,600 pesos with inclusions of accommodation with breakfast, welcome drinks and snacks upon check-in, use of resort amenities, game room and outdoor pools, non-motorized water sports, stand-up paddle, kayak, and snorkeling. So yun na nga, dumating yung order namin na chicken inasal and longganisa with katerno at chara na talagang na-enjoy din ng mga colleagues ko. To share my experience, I would actually give 4 out of 5 sa food nila. Perfect 5 rating sa kanilang rooms because I truly appreciate how clean and uniform the room are. So if you wish to have a great upgrade to your getaway, this is your sign to go to Tugawe Cove Island Resort.